Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a military H1 Hummer that has a lot of really good upgrades. It's titled and licensed for the street. It's powered by a V8 diesel engine, and it was government rebuilt in July of '05. And that's the data tag that shows that. And when they do a government rebuild, it's pretty complete. It's drivetrain, chassis components, and they don't rebuild them because they have too many miles on them. That's just one of the requirements to keep them in service. Everything's got to be great. The lights all work. It's got a license plate light. Got your shackles here. It's got a pintle towing hitch, a mount for an antenna. The wiring is still there. And this was painted in about 2 years ago with a bedliner texture material. And they also ordered these aluminum half doors. Those are not government issue. Those are sold aftermarket, and they're actually kind of expensive. It's made to cruise around in the summer because there's no side windows. But if you do want to ride around in the winter, there's a full set of soft doors that one of the zippers has pulled loose, so it needs a little repair. The soft top was done also when the Rhino liner was done, and they installed a brand new set of Mickey Thompson Baja Legend mud tires. And these are date code 2022. So they're fresh. They really don't have any miles on it. And to drive this Hummer, it's kind of amazing. The brakes work extremely well. The steering is positive. You can tell it's built for the military because it's a really tight machine. You can see the original color was that desert tan army paint. And it has been raining here today, so it's a little bit wet, got some splotches on it. It's got the upgraded LED headlights. Those are more of a civilian thing. Front license plate mount. Excuse me, well let's go for a ride. It does have a glow plug system, so you turn the key on and you wait to start. When that little light goes out, then she's ready to roll. There it is. It's showing 7,997 miles. I'm assuming they reset that when they do the rebuild, but I don't know that for a fact. Temperature is running about 180. You can see the voltmeter, the generator actually. These are a 24 volt system, oil pressure, and the brake light. We're shifted in drive here. It's also got the windshield wipers. They're electric and they work. And this device up here, I'm not sure what it is. It's got some electrical plugs that hook up to it that I don't have. Maybe some kind of radio device. The top is basically brand new. It's got some little battery push button lights. The 4 bucket seats were also put in it. And that's your air filter gauge. When it gets up to the red, that's when it's time to replace it. Transmission shifts real smooth, and it really drives nice. I mean, for a big, heavy four-wheel drive. Seats are very comfortable, more comfortable than the original military seats. You can drive it to the store, drive it to breakfast, or If you like to hunt, you can drive it to your hunting lease. I'm just amazed at the brakes, but they are very large disc brakes, and they're inboard, so they're up high on the differential, so they're not fighting the oversized tires. Military stuff's always way overbuilt. Get one more look at it. It says disaster response vehicle. The previous owner used it for his business, for advertising, and he put the wheels, the tires, the top. We actually put the doors on. And you can see the ground clearance on these is pretty amazing. Everything's flat. But give us a call. I'm Bronco Bob with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We can arrange shipping. These are wide, so they got to go on a high deck trailer. When I got it picked up, I just drove it back. But it is inspected, it's tagged in Texas, and it's a really cool vehicle. A lot of fun, a great toy, and built by AM General and rebuilt again in July of '05. But have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Hope to see you in our showroom soon.